guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. So this is what their newest package looked like. They're sending out the 5x5 closures in this box. I am wearing a closure wig, I know, and I have it in a ponytail. I wanted to do something a little different so you guys can see some versatility when it comes to closure wig. Easy, throw on and go. All I did was cut the lace, and I left a bit of lace on, but this lace is super melty that you can't see that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this super quick video. The next wig install you guys see from me is gonna be like a burgundy-esque red little closure wig. So this month we have closure wigs, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Everything's gonna be linked in the description in case you guys are interested. And yeah, let's just hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another wig install, this time from Luvmehair. Of course, they actually have a new package, or maybe this is how their 5x5 closure wigs come. I do have two, so this month you guys are gonna see some closure wigs from me. A lot of people want a more easier approach to wigs, and I feel you. Sometimes you don't wanna have to glue them down. You're just looking for an easy throw on and go wig. So normally closure wigs provide you that, or if you even want to spray the front of your hairline down with some glue, it just gives you a nice, easy, beginner-friendly install. So let's just kind of like randomize which one we're gonna pick. Then let's get into it. You get a Luvmehair bag, makeup bag that comes with 2 makeup brushes, an edges brush, and a melt belt. Put on a cap. I do about this much. Let a little bit of hair show. Which one? Whichever one we don't do today, we'll do tomorrow. Okay, so today we're actually going to use this wig. We're gonna take it out. These are the curls. They already come with curls, so I love that. The space that you have, the inside of the wig. Okay, so just straight out putting it on. It does come with like side part, but you can always do whatever you like. But it does come with a side part. Let me just show you guys. This is straight out of the package. I have not bleached anything, plucked anything. I'm not going to. What I'm going to do is simply cut off the lace, and we can do it together. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace off, but not too much. I'm actually gonna leave a little on, hold on. Okay, so as you guys can see, I left a little bit of lace on. And why I do that sometimes is whenever I'm not actually gluing the wig down, I like to give myself more room. I like to give myself a little more room to wiggle around. All right, so just putting that lace onto my head, I'm gonna just take a little brush and just begin kind of like brushing the hair out. I really like the texture of this hair. It's super soft, definitely very easy to maintain. When it comes to the lace, I actually left a bunch of lace on, so I like how melty the lace is. If you're no good with curls, I love that it already comes curled for you. So I like the maintenance. Like, this is going to be the easiest low maintenance hairstyle. And I also like how you can really customize it, because granted it came in a part to the side, you don't have to wear it that way, okay? Okay, so after combing out the curls a bit, I think I want to go for more of like a ponytail. Show you guys a little bit of versatility. So with the bang, I want you guys to know you guys can part it to the middle because it's a 5x5 closure. So if you wanted to wear it like in a middle part, you could, but you just need to take like a flat iron or something and really get it in there. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. I actually put it in a ponytail, and you guys know I have like super short hair and I love the way it looks. This lace is extremely melty, so if you're a beginner and you're looking for like an easy throw on and go wig, then this is going to be for you. Normally I do bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, but today it actually didn't require any of that. I want you guys to know literally 5x5 closure wigs are super easy to maintain, super easy to manipulate. I literally just took it out of the package. It came curled. I can't find my flat iron anywhere, so otherwise I would have like straightened the bangs or re-straightened the bangs, but I like the length of them. They're not too long, not too short. They're like a happy medium. If you want yours cut a little shorter, you can definitely do that. Or if you want to wear them in a part to the middle, it's going to give you a beautiful little layered effect. I didn't think that I would be able to put a closure wig into a ponytail. I just wish this piece was a little flatter, and that's my own doing, you know, because like I said, I don't have my flat iron or anything. Love the texture, so it's super beautiful. If you do like to customize your hair a little bit more, you can definitely bleach the knots or pluck the hairline, but I think it's a superb job. And I left on lace, like I don't know if you guys can see, but this is lace right here that I left on. And the only reason why I left on a little bit of lace is if I wanted to glue it down, I like to be able to customize the lace to it. But I think that this is going to be an easy, low maintenance hairdo. It took me like 3 minutes to install, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And just in case you wanted to wear it down, this is just what it looks like down. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.